Welcome back to the Tip Sentinel, your guide to smart living. Eating healthy often feels expensive, but the truth is, with the right strategies, you can nourish your body without draining your wallet. Today, I'll show you how to eat healthy on a budget with simple, practical tips. 1. Plan ahead. Healthy eating starts with planning. Write a weekly meal plan and shopping list before you head to the store. This prevents impulse buys and ensures you only purchase what you'll actually use. Planning also helps reduce food waste, which saves money. 2. Shop smart. Groceries can be tricky, but here are clues to save. 1. Buy in bulk. Items like rice, beans, oats, and frozen vegetables are cheaper in larger packs. 2. Choose store brands. They often cost less but are just as nutritious. 3. Avoid shopping when hungry. You'll be less tempted by unhealthy snacks. 3. Focus on affordable nutrients. Some of the healthiest foods are also the cheapest. Think bananas, apples, carrots, potatoes, spinach, and eggs. Seasonal produce is another budget-friendly option. Berries in summer, sweet potatoes in fall. These staples give you vitamins and minerals without breaking the bank. 4. Cook at home. Eating out adds up quickly. Cooking at home lets you control ingredients and portion sizes. Batch cooking, like making soups, stews, or casseroles, saves time and money. Freeze leftovers for quick meals later. 5. Reduce waste. Food waste is money wasted. Store food properly, use leftovers creatively, and repurpose scraps. For example, vegetable peels can become broth, and stale bread can be turned into croutons. 6. Protein on a budget. Protein doesn't have to mean expensive meat. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, eggs, and canned tuna are affordable, healthy options. Plant-based proteins are often cheaper and last longer. 7. Smart substitutions. Swap pricey superfoods for budget-friendly alternatives. Instead of quinoa, try brown rice. Instead of kale, use spinach. Instead of salmon every week, mix in sardines or mackerel. You'll still get the nutrients without the high price tag. Eating healthy on a budget is possible. It just takes planning, smart shopping, and creativity in the kitchen. Remember, bulk staples, seasonal produce, home cooking, and waste reduction are your best allies. Thanks for watching the Tip Sentinel. Subscribe for more practical tips to live smarter every day.